The Sinulog or the Santo Niño celebration?
Because there might just be an impression that in 2021, since we're celebrating this Sinulog, that's a few months away from the April 2021 also. Yes. Maybe there's going to be an adjustment in the schedule, a merger of activities, or any special celebration that we're expecting.
Yeah, so the thrust of the new Sinulog now is to bring back the devotion back again to Sinulog. And in fact, like for example, our floats before, the floats were freestyle, right? We're very commercial, everyone was free to do almost anything. And now we will have themes depicting that you can, when you pick a float, you have to choose a theme, right? And so these themes are based on the arrival, the first, the whole story of Christianity in the country. So from Queen Juana, so we made it now, we want to bring back the religiosity of the Sinulog festival, which we've lost over the years. In addition to all the people, of course, who have stopped coming for the Sinulog, there's a very big challenge now with the board to bring them all back, slowly. And this Sinulog now in 2020 is a preparation for the bigger event in 2021. But for sure, we'll always be working with the Archdiocese, because still the whole veneration of the Santo Niño really revolves around our Archdiocese.
Let me just add to that. Many of you know that, in fact, this afternoon, the Papa Nuncio is coming to, as mentioned by Father Mar, to start the countdown of the coming of the Senior Santo Niño. Of course, it first arrived in the country, and later on, there was baptism. But it was mentioned, but was not so elaborated. In fact, in the climax of the baptism, there is also the big Sinulog contingent, and of course linking the Senior Santo Niño. While baptism is so important, but the Santo Niño was there, was there. So in fact, I was joking, I am from Iloilo, but we might stop Ordinaryam so that we can all be in Cebu, something to that effect. Like many other Santo Niño celebrations like ours, which is a copy of Cebu, a product of Cebu, certainly will come, and join in the big Sinulog celebration, thanking the Lord for the gift of the child Jesus. I mean, like, there will be close coordination, collaboration, of course, with the Augustinian Fathers, because we are all one in this wonderful event.
Thank you, Archbishop. Thank you, Mr. Pongpoy. Maybe the final question should go to the